Hey, I'm Dionne Audain, actress, flight attendant, creator, navigator. I spent a lot of years thinking success meant pushing harder. It doesn't. And somewhere along the way, I realized something. A lot of us don't need more pressure. We need better directions. This channel is for actors, for creatives, for overthinkers, for people rebuilding, for anyone tired of pretending they're fine. You'll find acting stories, flight attendant life, wellness experiments, honest reflections, and tools for building a life that actually fits the person living in it, and maybe a little dancing, because getting there isn't the whole story. The real question is, can you arrive there intact? Around here, we use a simple framework: locate, regulate, navigate. What does that mean? Figure out where you are, support yourself honestly, take the next right step. No hustle culture nonsense, just real tools, real stories, and reminders that you're probably doing better than you think. Subscribe, introduce yourself in the comments, join the navigators. Welcome to the journey. Let's navigate it together.